It's live audience here.
Go ahead.
James, tell us about Freddie Mac SBL, and a lot of people want to know more about that program. So tell us more about Freddie Mac SBL and how does it compare to Fannie Mae?
Yeah, Freddie Mac SBL the SBL stands for small balance loan. So it's from 1 million to 7.5 million. It's a good loan for people starting out for their first property because you don't need experience to get that loan. So it's a good starter loan.
With good third-party property management.
Yes, with excellent third-party property management. That's going to be part of your business plan for sure. But yeah, it's a little bit higher rate than a Fannie Mae loan, usually 50 basis points. And they did just announce that they lowered it 40 basis points, but I think that's over effective today.
Yeah, I mean, it's for Freddie Mac SBL, the good thing is when you sign your loan application, they're essentially going to hold that rate for you, right? So there's been a lot of volatility in 10-year Treasury, 7-year Treasury, all these. Every time CPI prints or the Fed moves, it moves. And so Freddie Mac SBL, what's nice is if you can set your rate right at application, you pay $10,000, you set that rate, and then as long as you submit all your documents in 35 days to Freddie Mac, then you're good. They'll hold that rate. Whereas Fannie, you're essentially going to pray for 30 days, wait for your third parties to come back, and as long as Treasury hasn't moved, then you lock the rate with 2%.
2% of the loan, right?
2% of the loan amount. So, I mean, these loan amounts are a little bit smaller, so it's not a ton of money, but it's still a lot more money than Freddie Mac SBL. So Freddie Mac SBL all of last year was super high, so they were in like the 7s. They've come back down. They're probably 5.5 right now. So it's actually a pretty good loan for people who are doing smaller deals right now.